Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. So last video I did a bunch of drawings for a reference sheet, or I explained in the last video. It's kind of difficult. I don't know. It's just weird. It's like weird module. Like I used Toy House basically to list all these images, kind of like a wiki page, so you can just click on it to make it bigger, and it's just easier for me to update bits and pieces that way, or it's more inviting to me that it's so easy to edit, rather than editing a whole PSD. So this was the first try at doing something reference sheet-ish for Sai, but I don't know, I didn't really like how it turned out. It was too simple, and because she's a very simple character, so she doesn't need one of these crazy reference sheets, but it just felt too lame to me. So yeah, this is a scrapped image, but I'm still I have uploaded this. I'm not sure where I'm gonna upload it, but I will upload it so you guys can see it. I updated the background and everything to make it a bit more interesting, so it could be like a standalone piece, instead of just to be used for a reference sheet. But yeah, I don't know, I guess I'll just put this on Twitter, because I don't really want this in my... Well... Nah, you know what? Whatever. Let's just put this on DeviantArt. So this video is gonna go up after the drawing's posted, but that's fine. I'll just update the description. But yeah, anyway, that's what this is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.